I'm not gonna chicken out. Like, I'm gonna do it. I'm acting like this is my first wax. It's my first wax on myself. 1. Who's she? Sugar honey iced tea. 2. Hey, look at all those hairs. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys one of the best purchases I've made in 2020. So I have the wax warmer right here, chilling, getting hot. I'm gonna bring it up so you guys can see it. It's so small. Like, you could pack this in your bag and just be ready to go on vacation with this. It's so little. This is definitely a travel size kit. It has a little bucket inside so that you can clean it. You can take it out real easy. So it also has the temperature gauge here so you can adjust the temperature. I've seen that a lot of people on YouTube was putting it at 180, between 180 and 220. So I usually put mine on 215 because I feel like that's when it gets really, really hot. And once it gets hot, I'll put it down to about 180 so that it's cool enough for me to continuously apply it on. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my wax beans, and it came with about 6 of these. It has purple, pink, white, blue, green, and yellow, which is a lot. So since it's October and it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I am going to go in with the color pink. So I have my little warmer here. I'm gonna set it on top of the box. And I'm just gonna apply the entire thing and wait for it to melt. They also have some really good directions on the back. It also tells you what's in here so that you know, so read up on the ingredients for sure. Let's talk about what not to do with this wax warmer, okay? Do not put this wax warmer on your head. Do not put it around your edges trying to give yourself the perfect edge line or whatever. Please do not do that. It says it on the back of these directions. Do not do that. Also, do not try to arch your eyebrows with this unless you are a professional because, listen, eyebrows are hard to come by, good ones, and they're hard to grow back. So please don't do that. So the areas that you do want to use this wax warmer on is maybe like underarms, maybe legs. Some people wax their arms. I don't wax my arms because I waxed it once before years ago, maybe in like 2007 or something, but around that time, and I was itching up a storm. Like, I would never do that again, ever. So I don't recommend doing your arms unless that's something that you like to do, but I don't like to do my arms. So you could do your lip. You could do, you know, right here in the middle of your eyebrow. Like I said, don't try to do your eyebrows unless you're a pro. Just don't try to do it. Because it don't even come with the little sticks for that. Like, don't try to do that. If you want to do it, just get the unibrow. That's it. Just get the unibrow. That's all. You could get that upper lip. You know, you want to get that upper lip or whatever. You can get that off. They have like the instructions in the back with the little pictures and just to let you know what you should be using this wax warmer on. So follow the directions, okay? What I do like about this is they included a pre-wax and a after wax treatment. Who y'all know doing that? Like, usually wax warmers just come with the box and the wax warmer inside and some beans. So the pre-wax spray is lavender perfume, and this is supposed to clean your skin just to prepare it for the wax. And then they included the after wax treatment spray, and this is with menthol perfume, and it cleans off the residue and calms your skin. So I guess you won't have any, like, you know, irritation after you've waxed because waxing is a little painful. I don't care what nobody says. The first 3-4 times, it hurt. I know a lot of people that get waxes the first time, they're like, oh, it was nothing. Sis, they lying. They are lying because I got it done several times and I'm still trying to cope with the pain. So they lying. So another reason why I purchased this wax warmer is because I was tired of taking my behind to the wax center and paying $42. I don't have time to be going there, booking an appointment, waiting, No, because I could just have my husband do it. Or I could do it myself. So I'm not going to continuously pay $42 when I could buy this for $25 and I'm good for the rest of the year, 2 years, 3 years. I'm trying to save some coins this year, okay? So it's melting down, you guys. It smells good. I don't even know if it had a fragrance, but it does smell good. Maybe that's just the way. Oh, okay, it does. So this has rose, honey, aloe vera, cream, sea mud as the ingredients. So that's why it smells like that. Okay. It smells really soothing and calming. So, okay. So I am just checking on it and it is definitely, it is definitely ready to be used. Like I said, I have it on 220, but I am going to put the temperature at 180 so that it can cool down, and then I'm gonna apply it. So it did come with this pink top, and this is just so that you could cover it and watch it, make sure nothing falls inside or anything like that, or it spills out. Okay guys, I'm actually pretty excited about this. I am going to test out a piece right here on my leg. There is some hair, so we are going to see how this works. Like I said, it's cooled down at this point. And you want to make sure, this is the hardest part, is getting the, the wax to stay on the stick. Oh my God, that do feel good. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, make sure you guys get a thick layer of this on your skin so it can rip off all the hair. So you have to go over it at least twice. And I'm just telling you that from personal experience. That's not in the directions. And look at that. Oh my goodness. And it dries so quickly. All right. Oh. Oh my goodness. I actually felt a little tear. You can see, like, I felt a little tear coming from, I felt that pluck, man. Oh my goodness. Woo! All right, I'm not gonna chicken out. Like, I'm gonna do it. I'm acting like this is my first wax. It's my first wax on myself. All right. Let me move this out of the way because I don't want to drop it. Okay. 1. Who's she? Sugar honey iced tea. 2. Hey, look at all those hairs. So now I'm bringing my daughter in the mix and I'm about to see how she takes this. So you want to spray at least 2 or 3 sprays of this, and it's just to prepare your skin for the wax. Like I said, the hard part of this is just trying to get the wax on the stick the right way. Is that hot? 1. Can you help me do a countdown? 2, 3.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay guys, so this is the results from just that one patch on Kaya's legs. Like, my 12-year-old can handle this. You can handle this too. Like, stop going to the wax center paying $40. Get you one of these little investments for $25 and you good to go. And make sure y'all tag me because I want to know if y'all crying or not. Okay? Is y'all crybabies or is y'all handling it like a champ like us? Let me know. Peace.